Okay, what are we opening now?
Squishy pop balls.
Squishy Pop Balls. Awesome.
And they do whatever they do. Whatever we get, we get. We got it in a bag. Inside.
Wow.
I wonder what we got.
What is it?
I wonder what we got. It's Willow. Oh, can I use this, please? You want it?
Just a little. Okay, there you go.
It looks like
Fluttershy. Wow.
What's this you can stick here? Oh wait, she has this little hoof thing. Let's stick it.
Fun. She sticks.
Let's see pops.
Wow.
I can't believe it. Now it's time to open Twilight Sparkle.
All right.
Can you go down? Put this down. Put this pop down. This one's fine. Ooh, there's all kinds of different ones you
All
can
kinds
get.
of charms. Yeah.
And ponies.
Oh, she's pretty. She's a little squishy, isn't she?
Yeah, push her.
Oh,
She's
a little
squishy.
squishy.
I gotta open the box. I gotta open the
Okay.
box. I gotta open the box.
This is your bracelet, your charm bracelet.
Okay. That's it. What is that?
Who's on it?
Twilight Sparkle!
Wow.
Here it is.
Mmm.
I gotta open it up.
I think you can just stick it on your hand. I think you don't have to open it. See? Oh, my word.
Oh,
Let's look. Let's look at all the little charms.
There's not very many.
Move your hand. Let me see. Oh, wow.
Oh, it gotta. Oh, it just popped open.
There you go.
This is
Okay.
and then put the side's gonna go in.
Oh, yeah. You can switch them out.
We can't put some out. How do we do this? And then what we put Fluttershy in, she does not want to go in. She sticks to us! Let's push her on this. Oh, she's on the scissors! That's silly. Silly pony.
There. I stuck her on.
Okay.
Look.
I see! Fluttershy!
Okay, you